Have you ever wondered what happens inside your motorcycle when you pull the clutch lever? Let's break it down. The clutch sits beside the engine and connects the engine's power to the transmission. When the engine runs, it constantly spins the clutch basket using engine power. Inside are alternating friction plates and steel plates stacked together like a sandwich. Strong clutch springs squeeze these plates tightly together during normal riding. With the lever released, the plates stay locked together, allowing engine power to reach the rear wheel.
Pulling the clutch lever lifts the pressure plate and separates the clutch plates.
Once separated, engine power can no longer reach the transmission. This allows the transmission to change gears smoothly without damaging the gear teeth.
As you release the lever, the clutch plates reconnect, and power flows back to the rear wheel.
The friction zone is where the plates partially connect, helping the motorcycle move away smoothly. Most motorcycles use a wet clutch, where engine oil cools and lubricates the clutch plates. Over time, friction plates wear out and may begin slipping, reducing performance. Together, the clutch, gearbox, chain, and rear wheel work as one system to deliver smooth power.
Now you know exactly how a motorcycle clutch works. If you enjoyed this explanation, like, subscribe, and join Motor Reviews for more easy-to-understand motorcycle guides.